Hi everyone, so I was craving for some churros lately and I thought, hey, I should make some. Okay, let's start. Okay, so I added water and butter and I let it melt. Once it's boiled, I reduce the heat and added plain flour. Mix it well. And added more flour. And then I mix it again until it's evenly mixed. Okay, once done, I put it aside. I let it cool for a minute before adding in the eggs. You mix it well again and then add more eggs. At this point, I got so tired, so I got my mom's help here. Okay, then I prepare a piping bag and I start it. Then I transfer them into the piping bag. Okay, so once done, prepare a muffin tray, and I'm not using it the way it should be used. So we are using only the bottom to make the churros cup, and make sure to spread butter to prevent the churros cup from sticking onto the tray. So I got the idea to make this churros cup from a food video website. I can't remember. I think it was Tastemade, I think, but I'm not sure if it's actually Tastemade. And I thought, hey, wow, that's cool. I want to make it. Then put it in the freezer for 3 hours. While waiting, I prepared some sugar and cinnamon powder mix for the coating. I realized it was difficult to remove the churros cup from the tray when it's frozen, so I let it soften first before removing it from the tray. I had to heat oil, and I was supposed to check the temperature, but I don't have the tool to check the temperature, so I just had to wing it. Okay, once it's turned golden brown, take it out and coat it with the sugar cinnamon powder mix. Mom wanted me to make the straight ones, so here they are. The last step is to add in ice cream. And I had difficulties putting the ice cream into the cup. Okay, finally. This one too. Okay. Add some chocolate syrup, and there you have it. Thanks for watching.